Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again building something from Fortnite. It seems to be what's popular, so let's just keep making stuff from Fortnite. This will be the 6th build that I have made so far. Yeah, those. Today we are going to build the golden llama pinata from Fortnite. Maybe the most absurd thing that I've built yet. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Fairly pleased with the way he turned out. I didn't have metallic purple, so he just got regular purple. This chain is actually from a purse, like the strap of a purse that I got at Walmart for like $4. Everything else is pretty much foam, with the exception of the legs, which are PVC. I think he turned out pretty amazing. The only negative thing, or I guess thing that I could point out that you should definitely do if you try and make this, spray paint these little parts first before you glue. I know it'll be a pain, but trying to get paint underneath it to cover up spots was ridiculously hard. So you can save yourself a lot of headache and a lot of primer doing so. I think it's pretty awesome. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your top hat fancy building skills. Or maybe you're just a llama wearing a top hat. It's alright. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I'm not gonna hit you with it, but I do feel like I need to hit him. So we'll go with this one. Alright. Here we go. Let's see what goodies are inside. Let's see what we got. There's nothing in here, he's empty.